Hello guys, got birthday on wrong date and Snapchat remind everyone about your birthday. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to remove your birthday from Snapchat in just a few steps. First, open Snapchat and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the setting icon in the right corner. Now tap on the birthday under the My Account section. Once you're in the birthday section, you'll see an option called birthday party. If you uncheck this option, Snapchat will stop showing the birthday cake emoji next to your name on your birthday. However, Snapchat doesn't let you completely remove your birthday, but hiding it does the trick. After turning off birthday party, Snapchat won't send notification or show your birthday to your friends. And remember, Snapchat's only let you change your birthday a limited number of times, so don't keep switching it. And that's it for today. You know how to remove your birthday. So if this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Snapchat tips.